Hey, look, your underbelly.
Okay, I love you, Zach, but if you give me that opportunity, I am slicing you, okay?
I expect nothing less.
Okay. So, we had all kinds of interest in this. We really wanted to get this fight done, and unfortunately, at Open Sauce, we weren't able to make that happen. But today is the day. So, Tiny Tombstone is going to be taking on Sting, and let's see how this plays out, shall we?
I have high hopes. There is a pit, so hopefully I can use that. I just have to see how much damage I'm taking before that happens.
This thing is chaotic enough, I'll probably end up pitting myself, even if you don't touch me. However, it's going to be fun, so let's give it a watch.
3, 2, 1, fight, robots, fight!
I got to turn it down a little so I can...
All right, so far, armor's holding. Eek. Almost got the grab.
All I'm doing is beating up your arena here. Come on, spin. Come on, spin. Oh no! Okay. There it goes.
Oh, we went through the wall. I got him. Oh, you are wiggly.
It is fast, I'll give it that. It's...
Eat. The pit.
I basically have to run at about half speed or I can't drive it. Oh man, for a minute I was right side up again. Yeah, there we go. Come on, spin back up. It's like the real Tombstone. I'm doing okay if the weapon works. Okay. I'd like to point out you haven't put me in a pit yet.
That is true.
Okay.
I'd like to point out you didn't put yourself in the pit either.
Okay. That's true. There's that. I'll take it. Okay.
They are squirrely fast.
Yes. No kidding.
Oh, I found some debris.
Uh-oh. And he spun.
I think it was a chunk of the arena.
No.
Got cocky.
Yeah. Good. I'd like to know how far we've been going. I don't know how much battery this little thing has.
No kidding.
It has been about 3 minutes.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Match over.
All right. Woo!
All right. It's going to the judges.
All right. Okay. All right.
Unfortunately, we have to text this to Lisa.
All right.
How hot is it?
It's pretty warm. Okay. That battery pack, feel that guy. All right. So, what did we learn here? First off, that thing can take a licking and keep on ticking for sure. Okay.
Still driving to the bitter end.
I definitely need to learn to drive that a little better, so to get something out of that.
Yeah, the new Turnabot motors actually turn a lot faster than I'm used to.
Okay.
And so even I felt like I was overcorrecting a bit, but I think I just need to practice with this guy a little
Those
more.
are the same motors in here.
That's correct.
Okay, so
They got speed.
A lot of speed
for days.
Well, and decent torque. I mean, it maneuvers pretty good. So.
And you were taking out so many chunks of the arena. Like I don't know if people can see this. These are like little traps set all over the ring, and I got high centered on this at least twice. And there's a lot of them now.
There's a lot of them.
That is a viable strategy on my part. That's how I beat Minotaur.
True. just
Okay,
keep
they got stuck on an arena damage. So hey, it's any path to victory is a good path. Okay, all right.
This is true.
All right. Well, I'd have to call this a success. Those things work really well.
I think so. Thank
Okay.
you, Ray.
No problem.
For taking the time to do this.
No problem. And I stayed out of the pit. All right, so that was a lot of fun. We finally got the chance for Tiny Tombstone to get into an arena, and we had a worthy opponent in fighting the new Sting kits. I think this showed a lot of promise both in how well Tiny Tombstone worked and just how tough those little things are. That worked really well all the way around.
At one point, it reminded me of our big match where you were at full speed, we hit, and both of us slammed against the opposite walls.
Well, the physics is very similar there, no matter how big the robots are. So
Pretty sure that's when you did that.
probably. That's a pretty good cut.
That's a pretty good cut. He's still
All
together.
right. So, hey, this has been a lot of fun. There'll probably be some more content down the road for the little guy. This has been a blast. And if you're interested in looking into this weight category, this is a great way to get into that weight category because it's a reasonably inexpensive way to get into the sport with something that's a lot of fun. And as we have shown, they're tough enough to handle full combat with anything in the class.
Ray Billings approved.
Yeah, hardcore
Slap
approved.
that on the box.
Hardcore approved. All right. Hey, Dave, thanks for being a part of the channel. Obviously, like and subscribe. It's a big help to both of us. And we'll see what comes up for next week.
So ladies and gentlemen, we have been having a blast today, and it's been so awesome to be here in the King of Kinetic Energy shop fighting our brand new Sting kit. And if you guys would like to pick one of these up, go to Turnabot.com. Link is in the description, and you can get your very own Sting kit to take on any challenge you want. It is a legal 150-gram combat robot that you can enter in any competition. So once again, Turnabot.com, and let's have a big thanks to the Reaper himself for helping us show this off.